Hi friends, today we will see two slokas, Sloka 34, Sloka 35 in chapter 1 of Bagavath Gita, as these two should be chanted together. Acharya Pitara Putra Tataiva cha Pitamaha Matula Shvashura Pautra Shala Sambandhinastata एतान् हतुमिच्छामि नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराजस्य हेतो कृम्नुमयि कृते. Will repeat. आचार्य पितर पुत्रा तथैव च पितामहा मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्रा शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हतुमिच्छामि नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराजस्य हेतो कृम्नुमयि कृते.
Now we will see the meaning of the two slokas.
Teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, grandsons, father-in-law, grandnephews, brother-in-law, and other kinsmen are present here, staking their lives and riches. O Madhusudan, I do not wish to slay them, even if they attack me. If we kill the sons of Dhritarashtra, what satisfaction will we derive from the dominion over the three worlds? What to speak of this earth?
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.